Hey guys, Todd here. Today we're going to install the RB20 Slim running boards from Go Rhino on this 2022 Toyota Tundra Crew Max. The tools we'll be using for this installation are a ratchet with a 12 and a 13mm socket. Now make sure you're subscribed to our channel to keep up to date with our latest content. Let's go and get started. Okay, we're starting on the driver's side. We're underneath the truck, right behind the driver's side front tire. If you follow the rocker panel back, you're going to come up to these two bolts. Those bolts need to come out of the truck using a 12mm. Okay, next we're going to locate a driver's side front bracket. Now, what you'll want to look for is one side of it with a slightly different angle, and then the other side is the foot. So your oval holes down here is what the running board's going to land on, and these two holes are going to line up to the holes that we just took the bolts out of. Now, what we're going to use is some supplied bolts to go up into those locations and hold that in there. We're only going to put those in finger tight for right now. All right, let's go ahead and move back to the next bracket. Okay, so the next three brackets are exactly the same and they're going to install exactly the same. So what we're going to do is follow a rocker panel back. We've got another set of bolts here. Come back here, there's another set of bolts, and then at the very back of the cab, there's another set of bolts exactly like these. Those need to come out with a 12mm. Now this is what our center and rear brackets look like. Like I said, they're exactly the same. So we're gonna have two oval holes that line up here, and then these two oval holes down here, it's on a larger pad, that's the foot, that's what the running board's gonna sit on. So we're gonna use, just like on the front bracket, the provided hardware, hold that in place, finger tight for right now. All right, and coming back to the rear of the cab, we'll find our final bracket location. Right now we can go ahead and set our running board on top of our brackets. Next we're going to take out of our kit, we've got these U-plates that are threaded. Those are going to go up into the channel of the running board and they're going to turn sideways. What we want to do is make sure that the holes, the thread holes in the U-plates line up to our brackets. Once those are lined up, we're going to go ahead and take our provided hardware and run it up into the U-plates and get that started. We're just going to put that in finger tight for right now. They need to be able to be adjusted. Okay, we went ahead and installed the other three U-plates on top of the other three bracket locations. Now we can go ahead and adjust the running board exactly where we want it. So we're going to slide it forward a little bit. Also make sure you move it in and out. Get the adjustment right. Once that's done, go ahead and tighten down all of your U-plates using a 13mm. Do all four brackets. Okay, now that all 4 of our brackets are tightened down to the running board, we're going to go ahead and tighten down our brackets to the rocker panel of the truck, also using a 13 millimeter. All right, repeat the same for the other 3 brackets. Well, we repeated the same process for the opposite side, and that concludes the installation. If you found this video helpful, make sure and give us a thumbs up. If you want to know more about the product, check the link in the description below. And as always, if you have any questions, call the experts or visit us online.